Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today we're going to be talking about this box right here, the July 2019 Boxycharm box. I'm extremely excited to get into it with you guys, but real quick before we do that, a couple housekeeping items. If you haven't already, if you're new to my channel, I want you to go ahead and take a second and click that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification symbol down below. It lets you know when I upload new videos. I have some fun videos coming for the month of August, so go ahead and make sure that you're notified. I don't want you to miss any of the fun here on my channel. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the box. First of all, for you out there that do not know what Boxycharm is, are not familiar, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription service, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and the products could be anything from makeup brushes to skincare to eyeshadow palettes, things like that. This month we got a little bit of everything, so the value of these is over $100. Typically one product out of this box covers the entire cost of the box. You know, it's upwards of $25, $30. So one product and you've covered the price of the box. I'm really excited to share the products that are in this box. I have been totally excited about this box since I saw the first spoiler. And I am that girl. I go check the spoilers. One, because I just don't like surprises. Two, because, you know, if we're gonna get a product in here that I may be running out of, like a mascara or something like that, I definitely don't want to go repurchase it right away. I just go ahead and wait till my box comes. So here's what the box for the month looks like. Every month the box comes with a themed card, tells you what the theme of the entire box is, and this month it's Au Naturel, and we got 5 products total. The first product that is here in the box, I was really excited to see. It was, I believe, the first spoiler that I saw that came out, and it is the Alamar Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It is the superfood mask. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Retails for $35. I haven't had a chance to try it. I've tried some of the other products in the box already, but I haven't tried this one yet. Once I get a chance to try it, I will go ahead and I'll put a comment down below and let you guys know what I thought of it. But I'm super excited. I've received products from Glam Glow and a couple other companies as far as skincare goes, and I've not been disappointed yet, so I'm very excited. The next product that's in this box is actually going to be a 3-brush set. It's the Gaia set from Luxie Brushes. And for any of you out there that have never used Luxie brushes, I didn't start using them until I received some in one of my first Boxycharms about a year ago. But these brushes are absolutely amazing. They are wonderful. The bristles are great. They don't shed. If it says it's gonna blend, it blends. If it says it's gonna pack on a shadow, oh boy does it pack on that shadow. They are very, very good brushes. This set is the Gaia 3-piece brush set. It retails for $30. We have the 510 foundation brush, the 250 large eye blending brush, and the 246 precise crease brush. If you'll notice here on the handle, normally Luxie brushes are pink, but they're normally like a plastic handle. These have like a wood grain to them. Keeps definitely within the theme for the month. Okay guys, so the next product that is in this box is going to actually be a gel eyeliner. It's from Appeal, and it is in forest green, and there's what it looks like right there. I'm a little bummed out. There was a variation that had one of these, but it was a lighter teal color, and I was just really hoping to get that. It just seemed like something I'd vibe with a little more. I do actually have this on today. It's in my waterline. It stayed on pretty well. It's a pretty color, so I'm excited to add it to my collection. I don't have any other forest greens in there, and I've been trying to get more green shadows, more green eyeliners and stuff like that. It does retail for $21, and again, it's by Appeal. Alright guys, the next item that was in my box is actually going to be a lip gloss from Alamar Cosmetics. Now can we take just a second to appreciate the packaging again? Packaging is stunning, very beautiful. Being Alamar Cosmetics, I wouldn't expect anything else because I have their original eyeshadow palette, packaging on that stunning. Their makeup brushes are beautiful. They are definite go-tos for me. I use them daily. I have not tried any of their products in any way, shape, or form that I have not been totally excited about until this. I was really excited that we were going to be getting a lippy from them because, you know, having the eyeshadow palettes and everything, I was like, okay, I can do eyes and lips. The quality that I've had so far with them, excited about. Only problem is, this gloss is so sticky. I went ahead and I swatched it. The pigmentation is definitely there, but it's so sticky. Like, I have it on my lips right now, and my lips, when I put them together, I can just feel it, they just stick. Earlier when I first put it on, it was sticking in the corners, it was gathering in the corners, and when I would open my mouth, you would see where it was sticking. It's frustrating because it pains me to say anything bad about an Alamar product. But I don't think I'll be keeping this. I'm probably gonna pass it on to one of my daughters and see if they like it. Yeah, I kind of wish it was like a liquid lipstick that we got, but I mean, it is what it is, and I'll be passing that on. Retail on this is $15. Maybe I'll go ahead and give their lip liners a try. It'd be nice if they were maybe in a Boxycharm coming up, but we'll see. But yeah, again, I'm gonna go ahead and pass this on, unfortunately. Alright guys, so that brings us to the fifth and final product from the box, and I'm totally excited. This is my favorite product out of the box, by far. And when I saw the spoiler for this product, I was as giddy as a schoolgirl. I kid you not. I was even checking the tracking on the package to find out, like, every few hours, where is it, where is it, where is it, when am I gonna get it? Because I wanted to get my hands on this product, and absolutely just, it was worth the wait. It really was. And the next product, the fifth and final product, is actually going to be this. It's the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette from Butter London. Can we take a second and definitely just admire this packaging? It is so pretty. I don't have anything like it in my makeup collection currently. With the theme au naturel, with the wood grain in the palette and the flowers, and it even has like little berries on it. So cute. And this palette itself retails for $32. It is highly pigmented, long-lasting, and cruelty-free. Here's the outside, and it's even better on the inside. I mean, really, can we take just a second and really just look at that? So pretty. These shadows are amazing. They're what I have on my eyes right now. I went ahead and used Enchantress, Queen, and Temptress to make my look today, and I went in with a little bit of star underneath my eyes. I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but it's very pretty. It's just like a really pretty metallic-y sage green. Oh, it's so nice. These shadows are buttery, but they are amazing. They blend well, they pack on beautifully. The packaging on the inside is really nice too. This mirror, it's not a full-size mirror, but if all you're doing is literally just your eyes, it's perfect. Alright guys, that was all 5 products, and as we talked about at the beginning of the video, each box is worth usually well over $100, so I'm gonna go ahead and calculate how much this month's box is worth. Keep in mind, $21 for the box. So we got $35 for Elemis for that veggie mask. We've got $32 for the shadow palette, $30 for the brushes, $15 for the lip gloss, and $21 for the eyeliner. $133 value for this month's box. We paid $21, $133 value. I'm definitely always impressed with that. I don't know how they do it. I'm glad they do, don't get me wrong, but I don't know how they do it. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video today, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit that bell notification to let you know when I upload a new video. I don't think you're going to want to miss what I have coming in August. I have a lot of fun things in mind. And also, I plan on doing a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. So if you want to help with that, go ahead and share this video also. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!